Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play good defense on Madden. First, familiarize yourself with your team's defensive playbook. Knowing your player's strengths, like speed or tackling ability, is crucial for effective play calling. Try to anticipate your opponent's next move by observing their offensive formation. This early read gives you a significant advantage, allowing you to set up your defense before the snap. We'll cover specific adjustments and user control tips to help you dominate on defense. Making smart pre-snap adjustments is key to shutting down offenses. If you suspect a run, shift your defensive line to the strong side or spread them out. For passing plays, adjust your secondary coverage. For example, press coverage on short routes or deep zones for long passes. Don't be afraid to blitz a linebacker or defensive back to apply pressure on the quarterback, aiming for a quick sack or an errant throw. These small tweaks can dramatically impact the play's outcome. Taking control of a defensive player, often a linebacker or safety, allows you to directly influence the play. Focus on covering open receivers or filling gaps against the run. When tackling, timing is everything. Use the hit stick for a powerful tackle that can cause fumbles, but be careful not to miss. Alternatively, wrap up ball carriers to ensure they go down immediately, preventing those crucial extra yards after contact. Mastering user control can turn a good defense into a great one. A truly effective defense mixes up its play calls, never letting the offense get comfortable. Alternate between zone and man coverage. Zone covers areas, while man covers specific players. Understand when each is most effective. For example, a deep zone on 3rd and long can prevent big plays. Adapt your strategy based on the down and distance. On 1st and 10, you might focus on stopping the run, but on 3rd and 7, you'll prioritize pass defense. This strategic thinking will elevate your defensive game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.